Some people call this village rice, others call it native rice, but I like to call it an upgraded version of concussion rice. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I have my son Cassin to thank for helping me with lighting for this video. I almost gave up on it. So this native rice recipe is what I bring to you today. I will quickly introduce our special guest for this video. Okay, so I've got some parboiled rice, scotch bonnet pepper, which I blended roughly, some smoked prawns. I have dried fish. This one is like the game changer. It just adds a lot of flavor and is delicious. Ponmo, which I have diced into small pieces. I'd use this oil to fry something earlier. Now I'd like to use it up. Some onions, seasoning cubes, and of course salt. So let's get. Before we go on, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. I'll heat up some oil and add the chopped onion and fry for just about 1 minute, and then go in with the blended scotch bonnet. Please hit the like button for me. It encourages me to make more videos like this. In this recipe, I will not wait for this stew to fry. I will just add my dry fish and ponmo, because the dry fish is actually very dry and is tough. If I don't add it on time, it will be hard to chew, and I want it to be very soft. And I'll also add my ponmo because it is also a bit tough. Some seasoning cubes. And salt. I'll add a little water now. Cover and let it cook for a bit. I'll leave the ingredient list in the description box in case you want to check it out. Okay, so stew is well fried. Now we'll add more water to cook the rice. At this stage, my children had already asked me like 15 times if food was ready. And this cooking did not take much time at all. I don't know why they're always in a hurry. Okay, our base is boiling now and it's time to add the rice. Please subscribe if you have not, and also hit the notification bell right beside the subscription button so you know when I upload a new video. Thank you. I'm adding a bit more salt now because when I tasted it, it wasn't quite right. And I'll add the smoked prawns at this stage. And of course, blended crayfish. We will cover this and let it cook. There you have it, guys. Food is ready. Do let me know if you'll be trying this out, and when you do try it out, please give me a feedback. I want to know how it goes, but I'm very sure that you will enjoy this a lot. This rice is really delicious and everyone in my house loved it. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. It will mean so much to me. Also, do well to give me a thumbs up and leave me a comment. I would like to know if you would be trying this out, okay? Thank you for coming to another cooking show, and I will see you again with another fantastic recipe. Thank you so much, and bye.